Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Paella Cookbook is probably one of the most sought-after culinary guides for home cooks and passionate foodies alike, promising a journey into the heart of Spanish cuisine with authentic recipes and techniques to create the perfect paella, from selecting the right ingredients to mastering the distinctive cooking methods, ensuring a delightful culinary adventure for both beginners and experienced chefs. Number 5. Paella Recipe. Get ready to experience the rich flavors of Spain. This recipe will guide you through each step, making it easy to create an authentic paella at home. Gather your ingredients. You'll need saffron, rice, seafood, chicken, and vegetables. It's all about fresh, high-quality ingredients. Start by sautéing the chicken and seafood. This will build a flavorful base for your paella. Don't overcook it. Add the rice and broth. Let it simmer gently, allowing the flavors to meld together. Patience is key here. Stir in the saffron and vegetables. The saffron adds a beautiful color and distinctive flavor. It's the secret ingredient. Once cooked, let it rest for a few minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to fully develop. Enjoy. Your delicious paella is ready. Garnish it and serve it immediately. It's a feast for the senses. What we like. It offers a wide array of traditional Spanish paella recipes, including rice and noodle options. The detailed instructions make it perfect for beginners. If you're looking for an authentic culinary journey, this cookbook is your ideal companion. What people say. Think of this book as more technique-based instruction and less of a recipe-driven cookbook. There are many paella cookbooks that have recipes, but fall short on showing you how to make the perfect sauerkraut, the perfectly crunchy rice layer on the bottom, and how to layer in the flavors. You see, paella is all about the rice and less about all the other stuff thrown on top. He goes beyond a simple presentation of recipes, spending nearly 70 pages giving the reader a solid background in the history, equipment, ingredients, and techniques of paella. His discussions on how to prepare ingredients, stocks, oils, and sauces and when to use them are especially helpful. The book gives the reader a firm grounding in the techniques required to make paella and the knowledge to improvise. Number 4. La Paella Recipe Book. Get ready to explore the vibrant world of Spanish cuisine. This book is your passport to creating authentic and delicious paella. It's more than just a recipe book, it's a culinary journey. Discover the secrets to making perfect rice and noodle dishes. Each recipe is carefully crafted to ensure an authentic Spanish flavor. Learn the traditional techniques passed down through generations. Even beginners can create restaurant-quality paella with our clear and concise instructions. It's easier than you think. From classic paella to exciting noodle creations, this book offers a wide variety of dishes to suit every taste. There's something for everyone. Gather your ingredients and let's get cooking. This book will guide you every step of the way to paella perfection. What we like. This cookbook focuses on making delicious paella simple. It's perfect for those new to paella cooking. If you are looking for straightforward recipes and delicious results, this is the one for you. What people say. The book is great. I bought it for my husband for Christmas last year, and once in a while he gets inspired to create delicious versions of the popular Spanish plate. I have tried cooking all of these recipes. They are all very good. This was a fabulous purchase. Every recipe we've tried has been delicious, and there is a wide variety of paella recipes to enjoy. Number 3. Paella Recipes Cookbook, 2nd edition. Welcome to the world of paella. This cookbook is your guide to creating delicious and authentic paella dishes, perfect for any skill level. Paella is a traditional Spanish rice dish with a rich history and diverse variations. It's known for its vibrant flavors and satisfying texture. This cookbook features a collection of easy-to-follow paella recipes, designed to help you master this classic dish with confidence. Explore a variety of paella recipes, from classic seafood paella to vegetarian options, and discover your new favorite. Learn essential tips and techniques for achieving perfectly cooked rice and building layers of flavor in your paella. This 2nd edition includes updated recipes, improved instructions, and stunning new photography to enhance your cooking experience. What we like. It provides easy-to-follow recipes for delicious paella. The updated edition includes improved instructions and new recipes. If you want a reliable and updated guide to paella, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The best ones have seafood. I'm not a vegetarian by any means, but the book has veggies covered. Table of contents where recipes are not in any specific order. Like hand-drawn sketches throughout the book. Each recipe starts with a title and to far right corner sometimes with colored background are prep and cook times. Servings and some nutritional information, calories, fat, not broken up into good or bad, cholesterol, sodium, carbs and protein. Main page of the page has a list of ingredients are included and you should be able to substitute for your healthier dietary needs, low sodium, low fat, low sugar and fresh versus canned items. Directions are given. Surprised how many variations there was from different regions around Spain. Number 2. 100 Paellas y Fideuá Recetario. Aprenda a preparar más de 100 recetas de paella, cada una explicada con detalle. Domina el arte de la paella como un profesional. Este recetario te guía a través de cada paso, desde la preparación de los ingredients hasta el toque final. Prepara paellas deliciosas y auténticas. Explora la variedad de paellas, desde las más clásicas hasta las más innovadoras. Incluso incluye una receta de Fideuá para ampliar tu repertorio. Este libro no solo te ofrece recetas, sino también consejos y trucos para que tus paellas sean siempre un éxito. Aprende de los mejores. Su práctico formato de bolsillo te permite llevarlo a todas partes. Consulta las recetas donde y cuando quieras. Encuentra la receta perfecta para cada ocasión y paladar. Sorprende tus amigos y familiares con tus creations. What we like. It boasts an extensive collection of paella recipes, all clearly explained. Its compact size makes it perfect for taking with you. If you're a paella enthusiast and want a comprehensive, portable guide, this is the one for you. What people say. Está muy bien explicado. Number 1. Easy Paella Cookbook, 2nd edition. Get ready to explore a world of flavor with our updated cookbook. It's filled with 50 delicious and easy paella recipes, perfect for any skill level. This cookbook offers a wide variety of paella recipes, from classic seafood to exciting vegetarian options. There's something for everyone to enjoy. Each recipe is designed for easy one-pot cooking, minimizing cleanup and maximizing flavor. It's the perfect solution for busy weeknights or special occasions. With clear instructions and stunning photos, even beginners can create restaurant-quality paella. Follow along and impress your friends and family. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, this cookbook will guide you every step of the way. Discover the joy of making paella. This 2nd edition includes updated recipes and even more helpful tips and tricks. It's your go-to guide for mastering the art of paella. What we like. It offers a variety of 50 easy one-pot paella meals. The updated edition ensures the recipes are current and reliable. If you're short on time but love paella, this cookbook is your perfect solution. What people say. Good menus, different ingredients. No pictures to see what it looks like. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.